What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy, Bob. Where am I? I'm in the country of the Philippines, at Angeles City, and right now I'm in the SM Mall. As you can see, everybody chilling here. We got the piano playing, automatic piano. And you can see we have, it's Mother's Day, and it's a celebration of moms all over the world. Now, it gets a little hot in the middle of the day, about 2 in the afternoon, so a lot of times the Filipinos, they would come to the mall. They might not be necessarily buying something, but they just need to cool off. And what better place to come to than in the mall? Cool off, get you some rest, maybe a smoothie. I like them fructose smoothies. Goyabana is my favorite one. That's called sour sap in the U.S., but Goyabana is my favorite one over here. But I just want to share a little piece of time with y'all. Show you what it's like Mother's Day in the Philippines at the SM Mall. And, hey, all over the world. What I realized doing this travel is no matter what country you go to, we are 80% the same. It's just those 20% of differences that separate us. But 80%, everybody loves their family, everybody loves good food, everybody loves good people, man. So come on over here. I think it'd be good. See something different. See how they do it different. But since I'm gonna get over here, hey, get off the couch. Come on over here with your battle buddy Bob and explore the world. Peace, y'all.